Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Just in case you're wondering, I am shooting this video with the Google Pixel 2 XL 1080p 60 frames per second. Today's video, we're going to talk about wide angle shooters on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and the LG V20. This is something on my own that I've been just playing with, taking pictures and comparing them to each other from the S10 Plus to the LG V20 when it comes to their wide angle shooters. And you know what? I wanted to share it with all of you just for fun, but I do want some feedback down below in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. We're going to talk a little bit about specs, then we're going to talk a little bit about the slideshow. On the S10 Plus, you have 3 cameras on the rear. Starting on the far left, you have a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. In the middle, you have a 12 megapixel regular wide angle lens, and on the end next to the flash you have your 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, again right next to the flash. 3 cameras back there. The layout just like this. Let's go to the 12 megapixel telephoto lens. I'm going to show you the difference here. Regular wide, 12 megapixel, 16 megapixel ultra wide. Check that out. Very simple to use. Really love the layout that Samsung has here for us when it comes to utilizing any of the options when taking pics or shooting video. Okay, on the LG V20, I didn't mention on the S10 Plus that 60 megapixel ultra wide angle camera is a 123 degree field of view, f2.2 aperture. Okay, let me throw that out there. On the rear of the LG V20, you have a 16 megapixel shooter and an 8 megapixel shooter. The 8 megapixel shooter is your wide angle lens. Okay, that's a 135 degree field of view. 123 on the S10 Plus. Okay, camera layout. We're going to go over to the 16 megapixel shooter so you can see the difference. Very simple to use. The option for the 16 megapixel shooter right there. Okay, and your wide angle 8 megapixel shooter. Huge shout out to LG when it comes to the wide angle camera. They've been doing it since 2016 with LG G5. A couple years back, I brought in the LG V20 and I started creating content with this smartphone, and it's just been amazing and it's held up really well, and I've utilized that wide angle camera when it comes to taking pics and shooting video. It's just been a lot of fun. I just feel that LG doesn't get enough appreciation. They really don't. They get my respect. They really do. It's good to see as we move forward in 2019 that the wide angle camera is going to become the norm. It's very practical. Before we begin, I wanted to explain the format of this slideshow. Every pic will be 4:3 aspect ratio. Every slide will be about 7 seconds long. Hopefully that will be long enough for you to get a good look at every image, every slide, and compare both of these smartphones to each other. The LG V20 slide, the left, the standard pic, the right, the wide angle pic. The S10 Plus, the left standard pic, on the right the ultra wide angle pic. This is the format. Enjoy the slideshow. God bless. Peace. I am out.